To make a deposit at Bovada, start by logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and date of birth. Once you have logged in, click on the deposit button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Next, you will be presented with a list of available deposit options. These options may include credit cards, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies, as well as deposit by phone. Choose the deposit method that is most convenient for you and follow the instructions provided. If you are using a credit card, you will need to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You will also need to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Make sure to check the minimum and maximum deposit limits for your chosen method. For Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency deposits, you will need to provide your wallet address and the amount you wish to deposit. You will then be given a unique address to send the funds to. Make sure to copy this address correctly to avoid any issues. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click the deposit button to complete the transaction. You will then be taken to a confirmation page where you can review the details of your deposit. If everything is correct, click Confirm to complete the deposit. It is also important to note that Bovada has a verification process in place to ensure the security of your account. You may be required to provide identification documents such as a driver's license or passport to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure and is in place to protect your account and prevent fraud. In conclusion, making a deposit at Bovada is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and choosing the deposit method that is most convenient for you, you can quickly and easily fund your account and start playing your favorite games. Always make sure to check the terms and conditions of your chosen deposit method and to gamble responsibly.